say maybe like €4. So guys, that is, let me know what you think. This, do you like caramel ice cream or you like Oreo ice cream? Hello my beautiful people, hello everyone, you are highly welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video on YouTube, hello, my name is Becky. You are highly welcome as well to this page. Thank you so much once again for stopping by. Just decided to share with you how you can make your own evaporated milk at home with condensed milk. So I will be pleased to share with you guys. If today is your first time of seeing this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell, and click like, should in case if I upload any of my video, you're going to be among the people to see it. So guys, I've decided, I've made up my mind, and I promised you guys I'll be upload 2 brand new video every week. The reason why is because of my work. I'm a full-time worker, so sometimes I used to struggle, and it's not easy for me. So I've made up my mind how I'll be upload 2 brand new video every week guys. So guys, thank you so much. So let's go straight to the ice cream. I hope you guys will like, and let me know guys what you think about this ice cream I'm going to share with you guys. So let's go guys. The first ingredients we are going to be using evaporated milk. You can get any brand you want guys. This ice cream is very easy to make, and it's very costless. If you go to the shop to get a ice cream, at least it will cost you less than €5 if you are going to get a good brand one. So we need evaporated milk, and we're going to be using condensed milk as well. Okay, so you can get any brand you want. So this cost me €2, and this cost me $1.20. So the 3 together equivalent of $3.20. This 75 cents, and this is 70 cents. Okay, and the vanilla ice cream here I'm showing you guys cost me €2. So we go straight. We need a clean bowl as usual guys. So we're going to be opening this. The same process, just open. So guys, this is the condensed milk, and this is my evaporated milk. We're going to pour all of them here. So guys, you can exclude sugar, but because of the children, their mouth is very sweet, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to remove that. So 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. And because of the condensed milk, you might decide to exclude sugar. So guys, it's either you use the mixture, do this way, but this is going to take long. It's going to take forever. Okay, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to keep doing it, but it's only God knows how long it's going to take. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to plug it now, then we're going to go. We're doing it this way so that it will be very quick, and it's very handy to have. Adding vanilla, just tiny drop. Okay, tiny drop. And then we're going to be our vanilla ice cream, our condensed milk. So I'm going to pour everything. So you continue to mix them together until you get the ice cream texture. You can see I've already started. So I need to add all the condensed milk with vanilla, so you mix them together. It's very simple and so yummy. I can't wait. So guys, I'll continue blend them, mix them together. Okay guys, so you can do the same thing as well. So you continue to mix this up to 5 minutes. So I'll be right. So guys, this is the consistency. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own topping. So I'm going to be having Oreo and the milk crunchy, this one. So I'll show you how you can make your own. So guys, we are going to have the chocolate or whatever chocolate one. So I'm going to smash it like that. That's it. So some of them I like this flavor. You have to be careful, you can see. So this is Oreo. So like me, I love Oreo, and I think Sarah loves Oreo. So another topping. So it depends what you want. So let's smash that as well. Too much. So that's it. So half chocolate or I don't know what my children used to call this. So I have milk chocolate ice cream and Oreo ice cream. Sorry guys, the kids, they are home, they are making noise. You can hear the background noise. So this is how I used to do it. I'll put some on that, and now mix my own ice cream. So that is, some people used to put the topping at the end. So you're going to leave this in the fridge for 2 hours. So that one is done. So guys, I'm going to, this is the Oreo one. So as usual, so depends the topping you want guys. So I'm going to do plain one for the last one for myself. I don't want all this topping. So you can make up your own. So it's very straightforward ice cream. You can double it to make it more than this, but so this is it. So we have Oreo and we have caramel stroke chocolate. So for my own, I love plain ice cream, so I'm going to, that's mine. So you let me know guys what you think. If you really enjoy this ice cream guys, please let me know. Leave the comments below and share this video as well. So this is vanilla ice cream for me. This is for mommy. And we make 3 ice cream. So that's it. So guys, if you enjoy my video, let me know what you guys do think. So guys, this is the ice cream after some hours. Let's say after 3.5 hours. Remember guys, this is the one with the Oreo biscuits. So one of the girls wants Oreo biscuits. So this is how I use to. So you can make your own ice cream at home guys. Alright. Can you not see guys? That is the how I make my own ice cream. So that is the Oreo ice cream. So guys, let me know what you guys should think. If this really helped you, please share the video and leave the comments below. So then you can go ahead and put different topping if you want. So Sarah wants peanuts topping. You can get any brand of peanuts you want. So this is the peanuts I can get. So we're going to be, Sarah wants Oreo and peanuts. So I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to crunch that. So guys, if you are going to be crunching peanuts, you're gonna make a mess. I used to make a lot of mess with it, so I never. You can also blend it, okay, but they want it to be. So that's another topping for Sarah. So just make any topping you want. You can make biscuit topping. So that is peanut topping. And the other. So guys, this is Oreo stroke peanut top. So guys, the second flavor is caramel. Bekkyshow caramel ice cream. Okay guys, so my son wants caramel ice cream, and as well Mark wants caramel ice cream as well. So guys, I make this ice cream under €5. Let's say maybe like €4. So guys, that is how it looks. This is caramel ice cream. Guys doesn't want any topping. So Samuel wants caramel ice cream and Mark as well wants caramel ice cream. But the two girls want Oreo ice cream. So guys, what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know what is your favorite between this ice cream, guys. Please let me know. Okay, that's enough for some minutes. Now guys, let me know what you think. Do you like caramel ice cream or you like Oreo ice cream? Get this home ice cream under €5, guys. I want to know what you think. Do you like Oreo stroke peanut ice cream or do you like the caramel one? I want to know, guys, what you think. Leave the comments below and let me know what you guys should think. I will leave you with this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and bye for now.